Hello, my name is Płamen. I would like to share the latest SecureTransport features and improvements with you. This SecureTransport update does not impact current configurations. You can install it on top of SecureTransport 5.5GA or any of the later 5.5 updates. If you're installing SecureTransport for the first time, check our README or installation guide for the detailed procedure. Also, if you're not completely familiar with SecureTransport, check the description below. You'll find free training to better understand SecureTransport. We enhanced the consolidated view of a file transfer to ease troubleshooting, monitoring, and the analysis of flows. Using the consolidated view functionality, SecureTransport walks all transfer records with the same cycle ID in a single entry. This feature was introduced 6 months ago as a beta and is now available for production environments. All database configuration pages have undergone a makeover with better content organization and a new look and feel. This month, we've updated several third-party libraries that were reported in the National Vulnerability Database. These include Jackson, jQuery, LeapExpat, and Jettison. Refer to third-party software and licenses document for a complete list. For a better security, SecureTransport can now detect default administrator passwords. After installing an update, the application checks all administrator credentials and lets you know if any default passwords are still in use. Going forward, all fresh SecureTransport installation will force administrators to change their default passwords at the next login. Administrators can now customize a free text message when sending manual acknowledgements via the REST API 2.0. The message supports expression language for extracting the acknowledgement's date, time, and originator. Additionally, we reworked the acknowledgement received to display more details, such as a user message and the transfer direction. Another enhancement related to our API. SecureTransport administrators can reset their own expired passwords using the new REST API 2.0 resource patch myself. Previously, this was only possible via the administration tool. We removed the asynchronousCall property from the REST API transfers operations documentation because it was accepting only one value and causes misleading understandings. While you can still have it in a request, it will be ignored by the server. We do not recommend it, as the functionality is subject of future product development. Thanks for watching. Install this release using the links in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.